Man, what up though? You know what I'm saying? Alexander Fresco here. Visuals AF is in the building today. We got Dana, DB, Big Caddy.
Yes, in the
Cash in the motherfucking building. So yeah, this is the shoot that we had today. This is what we're gonna be shooting with. Of course, the Canon EOS R35mm on it today and today only. That's how we're gonna do it. But yeah, let's get to it. That's what we got. Appreciate y'all for rocking, stopping through, doing what we doing. All of our social medias is right here. It's right here. And like I said, Visuals AF is in the building. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you all continue to do what you do. Oh yeah. For sure.
Visuals as